Hello. Can you hear me? I'm sorry. I'm little late. Uh, I'm sorry. Uh, Hi Siri. Are you there? Hello. Uh, Hello. Yes. Um, Today I prepared a. Sorry. Oh, thank you, Sherry. Thank you, Sherry. Good evening. Sorry. Good morning for you. I'm here. It's evening. Sorry. um, Thank you for. I'm sorry. I'm a little late. I was preparing one note. Uh, uh, Thank you for your time and support. Um, um, Today, actually, I prepared a video that I'm going to publish in a premium. It will come online at 8:30 EST. A premium video. It meant to James Webb Telescope team. I have some suggestions to James Webb Telescope team to consider. I think I believe that, as I said in this title, gravitational lens is because of the gravitational lens is caused by the denser region of ether around massive bodies, I believe. So, sure, Sherry. Sure, Sherry. Thank you very much. I'm very thankful to you because you are so much interested in my ideas and your support. I am very thankful for that, Sherry. I was discussing with my wife about your passion on this subject. I'm very thankful for that. Um, Anyway, I was preparing a note for a note video actually. I was preparing a note video for James Webb team to consider about this. Today, we believe that these gravitational lens and starlight bending, etc., are caused by a relativistic effect, as Einstein said. According to Einstein, gravity creates a curvature in space and time, and today we use this idea to explain such phenomena like this kind of lensing effect and starlight bending. However, as I said earlier, the mass effect here, some noise is happening, some works are going here, so sorry for the disturbance here. Some works are happening here near our building, so sometimes some noise will come. So sorry for that. I'm thinking. I think that for many of my viewers, this information I think new for them. So that's why I'm repeating the same thing again. In fact, I already published about my works and my theories in my website, so in my channel. And I have a Facebook account also, Facebook page also. You can also check there also. So I am I'm giving an introduction to my new viewers that about my works, and I suggest please you can find my works about my theories, and you can visit my channel, and actually I have given links in my this video description itself, so you can check from there also. In fact, I believe that mass effect, matter and energy is the topic of matter and energy is more relevant today, because today than ever in the history of science, because now we have the latest the modern equipment, the most modern observatory, space observatory in space, James Webb. So our capable to observe the universe, different phenomena in the universe is multiplied many fold. So I think that this is a time to it is our opportunity to look very far reaches of the universe. So I believe that this new idea that this gravitational lensing kind of phenomena is not because of the gravitational curvature of space-time as Einstein suggested. Instead, it is because of it may be because of the etheric denser the effect of the denser optical region, the denser region of Aether. Matter, the mass effect is matter and energy, the relationship between matter and energy. I have disagreements with Einstein. Einstein said that matter can be converted into energy and energy can be converted into matter. So as I said yesterday, some of you may know that still I would like to repeat so for somebody it will be some repetition, but I want to tell this again because my new viewers may not know, so I would like to repeat it again. Einstein says, according to Einstein's special theory, theory of relativity, mass effect that happens in every reactions, for example nuclear reactions or particle accelerator collider, particle collider experiment, or in stellar collisions or neutron colliding black holes or colliding neutron star. The missing mass, according to Einstein's theory, is converted into energy. But my theory is that my understanding is that just like a chemical, how a chemical explosive release energy because of a chemical explosive release energy because of the change in the state of matter. For example, so if a solid state explosive, when it explodes violently and release energy. it is just like it's a because the change in the state of matter. For example, the solid state of a chemical explosive is converted into a superheated gas in a very fraction of a second. Because of that rapid, huge expansion, a chemical explosive reason everybody know that. But I would like to I understand. In my understanding, even nuclear reaction also, nuclear energy also released because of the same based on the same principle, because the change in the state of matter. But at present we do not have any method or any technique to detect this kind of matter. But I have idea I have some ideas or suggestions to detect this type of matter. In fact, the mass defect in fact is converted into a super thin form of matter. In fact, as I said earlier, ether concept, it is not a new concept. From since long years, hundreds of years, in fact, scientists, philosophers, they thought that they believe that there is a space-filling substance called ether. So my studies also suggest that ether, the space-filling substance, is real, and so I would like to give this mass defect. As I said, it becomes a super thin form of matter. I would like to name this matter as give the same name, ether. So I think that mass defect is converted into ether. So the proportion of the expansion is so huge that a gram of matter can be converted into a cubic kilometer volume of ether, millionth of a second. So that is my explanation of nuclear energy. When it explodes, when it detonates the surrounding matter, the product particles will get high kinetic energy, and when it collides the surrounding particles of matter, it results in the generation of extremely short radiations, wavelength radiations like hard X-rays, gamma rays, along with other wavelength, other energy photons. So this is my explanation. So if that is the case, if matter actually either is another state of, if either is another state of matter, then it still has all the qualities of ordinary matter, like mass, it can be attracted by gravity, etc. So if that is the case, every massive body maintains, because of its gravity, every massive body is in the universe maintaining a denser region of ether around it. I call ether bubble. So I think this can explain phenomena like starlight bending, gravitational lensing, etc. And not only that, gravitational redshift. So many phenomena I explained in the previous video. In the coming today, I release a new video, a note to meant to space the James Webb team to consider the possibility that will come in on a 8:30 EST. It will come online, a premiere video. Kindly watch that video if you have time, and it's a request to the James Webb team to consider this possibility. Probably it will help them to see the universe in a new way. Actually, it will open up, I believe that it will open up a new window to observe the universe. So I am very excited to about that. Not in a personal way. I am not a very personal. I am thinking about the humanity, our researchers, our future generations, or their future. I am thinking about that. Not any personal, not for any personal benefit. anyway, I started my research work, very early stage, earlier age, and I was researching and studying about all possible ways. Once I started getting internet facility in 2000, only in 2000 I got my internet connection, and I started to explore about universe on very many websites. Then every day I started to study about the universe, and in fact the internet helped me a lot. Now I came into many conclusions. Probably it will help the humanity, I believe. I believe that yesterday I said that if in the coming 1,000 years in future, what will be our status as a developed civilization? I think that we will be able to develop many wonderful technologies. Now even NASA and Pentagon, they also publicly admit the UFO phenomena and other kind of mysterious or very such a phenomena. They started to admit publicly. As many of you believe, I also believe that perhaps they are coming from other neighboring star systems. They have the technology. So if I am sorry to say that Einstein's, I have I want to tell you that I have a huge respect for Einstein, for his works in theoretical physics and his intuitions, his works on laser and many things. Actually, in fact, I have disagreement only with his explanations. He discovered so many phenomena in the universe. Starlight bending, gravity. He predicted about starlight bending. He predicted about gravitational lensing. The energy matter. The tremendous energy can be extracted from matter. I have only disagreement with his explanations. Some people have a misunderstanding about me, that I am totally against. I am not respecting Einstein, or I have some problem. It's funny to say that I have some problem with Einstein. That is not the case. Actually, I have a huge respect on Einstein, on his works, his predictions, his works overall, but I have only disagreements with his explanations. He actually discovered that we can generate energy from matter. I appreciate. I have huge respect on that idea. That is a new. Actually, that was a new. It's a discovery, original discovery, that we can generate enormous energy from matter. So that is. But I have disagreement of his explanation. He said that matter can be converted into energy. In that I have disagreement, but I have a huge respect and admiration on him, because he discovered that a huge amount of matter can be generated from a tiny amount of matter. That is a really a big, huge discovery. And also he said that starlight bending, he predicted, in fact, starlight bending. Now we know starlight bends near a sun or in a gravitational field. Similarly, he predicted about the gravitational lensing. That was a really a great discovery. That is. But I have only disagreement with his explanations. He was a real genius. He discovered so many phenomena. He predicted so many things. Similarly, gravitational time dilation, another thing. he predicted about gravitational time. That is a huge discovery actually. I have disagreements with his explanations, not about his theories or any his finding. I have only, again I am repeating, because why I am telling is that many people have a misunderstanding about me, that I am talking against Einstein. I am against Einstein. I have a problem with that. No, that is absolutely not correct. I have a huge respect on Einstein's work, and I have personally, he was one of my childhood heroes. In fact, I have huge respect on Einstein. Only have disagreement with explanations. In fact, since 100 years, for these 100 years, we have been you have to say that we were in a wrong track. So now I think it's time arrived to change our correct our track, the way how we observe the universe. So I believe that now we have the latest telescope, 1.5 million kilometers away, our James Webb telescope, space telescope. I am really excited. Yesterday, morning, they published on Indian time. I'm talking Indian time. The morning, President Biden announced the first about the release of first image later. In the Indian time, 8:30. Again, Indian night, 8 o'clock IST, the JWST published the photos, and they made a press conference. And I was watching with my full this excitement. I am very thankful for. I am very excited personally. I am telling you, not actually. I am very excited to see the results of their observations. I am very keen. I am keenly following their releases, picture releases. I'm a great fan of James Webb Space Telescope. Anyway, we have a great tool in space. It's a human achievement. It's a really human achievement. So I am waiting to see more release from them. Thank you very much for your support. In fact, Siri, I'm very thankful. Everybody, my viewers, your support is tremendous. Give me a tremendous energy, so I can continue my work. I am very thankful to everybody. Daily I plan to come online 2 times, 6 a.m. IST and 6 p.m. IST. That is 8:30 a.m. EST and 8:30 p.m. EST. So I plan to come 2 times live on live stream. In between, I'll work. I'm working really hard. I'm publishing a book. I'm working that also in my first priority. In between, I'll publish some videos about my short videos. You can ask your questions if you have any. You can ask questions. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will give you my reply with my best possibility. Anyway, I believe that we are in a right track. We'll be able to develop wonderful technologies, space technologies. Probably, I believe, we will be able to make time machines. Time machines is possible because time is, if you consider time, okay, I will it will if I start, it will go on and on. So now I'm going to stop this live stream. Yeah, that's correct, Siri. That's correct. Yeah. Yes. I admit that. I agree that. Um, yeah, we have to develop. We have to consider. There are so many fields. Energy crisis, one of them. Our planet Earth is polluted. We keep on polluting with this carbon or this our uh, hydrocarbon fuels. Yeah, so we have to concentrate. We have to invest more time and human resources to research on energy field. Energy is, in fact, I also very much interested in energy research. I am very interested that. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Yes, you are correct. Yeah. Yes. 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 Thank you very much, Sri. Thank you very much for your support, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my viewers. And I think I will conclude now. Sorry, I'm not a English speaker, so I have difficulties. Now I am improved much, but still just let search on my own station. That is, yeah, okay. Okay, nice, great, Sherry. Thank you. There's a good move. Yeah, yes. Anyway, thank you very much. Um, yeah, I'm an independent researcher. If you can, if you want to support me, you can do the Google, YouTube, super chat things. Anyway, I'm very happy. I am yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I see. Sorry, you're okay. Thank you very much. And let me conclude. You have your own. You probably everybody has. Now your time is also very valuable. So I'm going to conclude this session. Tomorrow morning I'll come again. And if you want to send message, I can find my email address from this description. Great time with your family. The same, Sherry. Same to you. My Facebook link and my email address also I have provided in my discussion. So please, you can find that. I thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet again. Thank you. I want to tell in the today 8:30 EST my one premiere video. It's a note actually. It's a note to James Webb team. If you have time, you please watch that. It will come by 8:30 EST online. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sari. Thank you very much.